So let us start. Online team, can you hear me? Can I get a response? Yeah, let me prepare running notes for you. 19. Today also we are going to continue with simple linear regression. There are a few more things you need to learn actually. I will tell you what you need to learn. No change, nothing is required to change anything. Projects, I need to focus. Simple, good. Come on, talk with me. Can somebody talk with me? ML step. Are you done yesterday example practice first of all? Hmm? Everyone. Yeah, good. I have a trust on you. I no need to cross verify. Yeah, first one is talk with me. Importing library. Sir, how you feel when you done yesterday example? Machine learning is very easy, but be strong in Python. Be strong in what exactly? Yesterday an example, what is a class, what is a method? If you don't know what is an object, I'm sorry. I'm extremely sorry. You cannot understand. Right? I trust you know that one. First one is importing library. Next one is loading the data set we done. Third one is data preparation. Can I say data preparation means as of now X and Y. What is that one? X is also called as a input. Y is also called as a output actually. I hope you understand that. Good. Now let us continue. The fourth one is, come again, sir. Splitting the data set. Splitting what exactly? Data set. Good. You know, let me tell you, yesterday I made it this one is an optional, but today we are going to see why the splitting data set is an optional yesterday, you know. If you are having small scale data set, what data set actually? Small scale data set, kind of small 6 rows actually. Am I right? Then definitely whenever you are splitting small data, we'll get it out actually. Instead of that one, we'll do one thing. Let us take a big data set. What data set actually? Big data set, and we can split the data accordingly. I will show you that one. And the fifth one is what exactly, sir? Model creation. And sixth one is model training. And the seventh one is prediction. Can I say prediction with model? Am I right? Yeah. Model creation. How simple it is, you know. Model equals to linear regression. Very simple. Linear regression. The next step is, can somebody tell me? Model dot fit of, and here what exactly? X comma y. X should be capital X, and this one is the y. Next one is model dot predict of, what exactly? Predict of, hold on, array value we need to provide. What we need to provide? Array value we need to provide. Very quickly, let me just try to access yesterday running notes, and let me pull the last example. I will not explain, but I would like to give a small overview. Close this. Let me run in a straight away. What is the output if you run this example directly? Good. Let me run this example. Yeah, the same error. What is the error? File not found error. Come here. You can just try to pull the file from the machine learning, all files, data sets, home prices, right? Yeah, very good, man. Yeah, good. Let us take this one. Somebody texted me today. Naveen, I guess, right? Naveen, good. Now let me tell you. This is the example what we done. Sir, you know what? This is the total value, kind of some rupees or dollar. This is the paisa value. What value? Paisas actually, something like that. So even let me tell you, few guys may get a result. This is what exactly? 5 lakhs 61,000, 60,000. Few guys may get a 5 lakhs 59. That is okay. 5 lakhs 61. That is okay. Why? Because predicted value. What value? Sir, prediction having some error. Prediction having what exactly? Some error. You should accept that one. Did you understand? Good. Let me just try to open the material and straight away I can continue with the today discussion. One more point I forget to highlight. What I forget to highlight, input should be, input should be, single column. Yeah. Column. Column format. What format, sir? Column. It should be it should be what exactly? Array format. Next one is what exactly? Output should be, row format. What format, sir? Row format. The row should be what exactly? Array format. Please, you have to make a note these two steps actually. One last call to online team. Online team, can you hear? Yeah, good. Let's move on. Let's continue where we stopped yesterday. Machine learning, simple linear regression. Get ready. Yeah, I'm sure these are all things. Yeah, I kept a few things hold actually. I know very well. I will come to this point now. Now we done these are all stuff actually. Till here I covered. Till here even I covered actually. Training the model. Instead of directly hard coding here, you can assign this value with X actually. You can assign this value is what exactly? Y. What is that one? Y actually. Good. Sir, can somebody talk with me? New underscore DF. What is that one? Single column data frame. What is that one? One more time. Single column data. Over single column data frame, if you apply values, you will get a single column array. You will get what exactly? Single column array. That is a fundamental you need to understand. Next one. DF means data frame having two columns actually. Over that data frame, we are calling a price, means you will get a series. You will get what exactly? Over series, if you apply, you will get a array. You will get what exactly? Array. Now let me tell you the diagram. Model dot fit method you need to call. What method you need to call? Fit method you need to call. For previous batch, I had written like this. Model training. Model training, especially model training is happening for this step, sir. What step actually? Model dot what exactly? Fit method. What method? Fit method. Yeah, here p1 parameter, p2 parameter. Am I right or not, sir? P2 parameter. Ensure that p1 should be what format? Column format, sir. What format actually? Column format. Good. CO 1 minute. Let me do small overaction actually, please. L U M N. And P2 format should be row format, sir. P2 format should be what exactly? Please, this is the fundamental you need to remember. Did you understand? Whenever you are providing the fit method and the first parameter should be input actually. Input should be what format? Column format. Output should be. It might be fun for you. Why I'm repeating these many times? Later you will understand, sir. Later you will understand actually, right? Many people will not stress on this one, but this is a bit important. Where are we? We done these are all stuff. Simple. Predicting price of 3300, you can do prediction actually. Yesterday we done prediction for 2800 value. What value? Cross verify 2800 value. Then you can do prediction for 3300 also. What value, sir? 3300. Now you can move on. Predict price for home price 5000 also. You can do prediction for different values actually. Now get ready. Are you clear till now? Good. Now let me tell you. Yeah. Sir, can somebody tell me model is an object? Model is what exactly? Object actually. Good. Very good. Now let me just try to take these two steps actually. Step number 5 and step number 6. Please. In a straight away I'm continuing. Please continue the discussion. In step number 5, model creation. What is that one? Model creation means model equals to linear regression. I would like to say still this is machine learning algorithm object. What is that one? Object to the machine learning, object to the linear regression. Good. Next one you are calling what exactly? Fit method. Fit method will do what exactly? Training the model. If you wanted to train your model, you need to call a method. That method name is called as what exactly? Fit method. Sir, once the training is done, this step is a bit important actually. Model having two predefined attributes. Predefined what exactly? Attributes. Come on. I'm repeating again. Once you train the model, once you train the model, inside this model, if I say model means object actually, there are two predefined attributes you can see. There are what exactly? Two predefined attributes. One attribute name is called as a coefficient. What is that one? Coefficient, sir. I will tell you what is this one later. I mean today only. Second attribute name is called as a intercept. Second attribute name is called as what exactly? Talk with me. Once training is done, everything training is done, then automatically inside that model by default two attributes will come. How many attributes, sir? Did you remember during data frame I covered few attributes actually? Shape is an attribute, columns is an attribute. Sir, same thing like that. Inside this object there are two predefined attributes actually. There are how many predefined attributes? Two predefined attributes. First two attribute name is called as a coefficient. Second one is a, I will tell you what is this one. Sir, if you wanted to call this coefficient, this is the way you can call, right? Model dot, and here also model dot, what is the name, you know? Coefficient. This is the way, this is the name, sir. COEF underscore. COEF underscore actually. If any variable name ending with underscore symbol, then that is called as a special attribute. That is called as what exactly? Special attribute. Good. What is attribute name? Talk with me. Coefficient. What is that one, sir? Coefficient. Move on to the second one. Move on to the second one. What is the second one? You know, intercept underscore. Intercept underscore. First off, let me show you where these two attributes are helping. I will cover you one more time. Tim, are you getting what I'm saying? I'm repeating again. Once the training is done, inside that model, by default, two attributes will come. Those two attribute names are called as a, first one is a coefficient, second one is called as what exactly? Intercept. Hold on, let me show you. I just wanted to, you know, help you. And hey, Daniel, print. Print off. I would like to print coefficient value. What value, sir? Coefficient. Coefficient value is. Come here, and at the same time I just wanted to print what value, sir? Intercept value. Don't worry, during interview no one will not ask these questions actually, but you should aware model dot coefficient. Then next one is what exactly? Model dot intercept. Let me ask a question. Why I should not call this one is the method? Any idea? Very good, sir. Why you should not call this one is the method, you know? Because it is not ending with parenthesis symbol. What symbol? Best example, sir. Right. Now, name dot upper. Name dot what exactly? Upper. Upper is what exactly? Method. How can we say? Because of parenthesis. Recognize, please. That identification is really important actually, especially for you guys. Let me print this one straight away. Come on. Very good. Coefficient value. Array we are getting. That too, what is the coefficient value? 135.78. Consider only, you know, first two decimal value. Intercept value. What is intercept value? 1,80,616.43 value. Are you with me? Good. Hold on. Let me take these two value. Let me take these two value. Sir, successfully what we done, you know, from the model object, we are able to capture coefficient value. We are able to capture what value? Intercept value. Intercept value. Am I right? Good. Hold on. Sirisha, we can see. Valid point, but as part of session not required. Not only coefficient value, valid point. Sir, can we see coefficient underscore code actually? Yeah, we can see. Let me tell you, we can see not only coefficient value, if any software, is open source. What is that one, sir? Open source. Code we can see. Code we can see in Git repo. Where we can see actually Git repo. There is a one Git repository. There we can go and we can see actually something like name dot upper method. Name dot what method actually? How upper method code. Can I see upper method? You know, 1 minute. Can I see? Can I can I see upper method? Upper method code actually. Code actually. Sir, we can see. We can, because Python is what exactly? Open source. Python is what exactly? Open source. We can see. Let's move to the discussion. Sir, I just wanted to go back one more time back actually. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Please remember. There is a one formula yesterday I told to remember. I'm not sure either you remembered or not actually. Yeah. Good. Please observe here. Can I please make a note actually here? Come on. Price equals to price equals to. Otherwise, can I say, house price? House underscore price equals to, talk with me. What is the formula? M into, can I say M into area, house area, something like that. The next one is what is the value, sir? Plus B. Plus what exactly? B. Good. Come on, read everyone. House price equals to M into area plus B. Good. Sir, the meaning of this formula will be house price equals to, what do you mean by M? Here M means coefficient. M means what exactly? Coefficient. Okay. Coefficient into area. This is seriously amazing, sir. Area. Plus, what do you mean by B? What do you mean by B? Intercept. This formula you need to remember, sir. This formula, what exactly? You need to remember. I'm repeating one more time. Backend, whenever you're calling model dot predict method, whenever you're calling what exactly? Model dot predict method. Sir, what exactly happened? Backend, this equation is being getting executing. That's why we are getting accurate value, prediction value actual. Right, good. According to this one, you talk with me. Right, let us just try to take house price equals to, let me substitute area, sir. As it is, you can take it out. Very good. What is the area value? Yeah, very good. 2800. Now you tell me what is the coefficient value? We got it right. Go back and take this coefficient value. Very good. And you can substitute here. And next one is what intercept. What is intercept value? Take this one and you can substitute here. I mean to say that you need to understand one point. Whenever you are calling predict method, backend, it is depending upon one math formula. That math formula, literally speaking, you no need to understand. But I just wanted to explore you actually. How we are getting answer? Because backend, one math formula is executing. What is executing? Math formula executing. Are you with me? Let me show you. Let me show you one more time. 2800. What is the prediction price, sir? What is the prediction price actually? Yeah, this we are getting from the model. This we are getting from what exactly? Model. Let's execute this line also. Let's execute this line. Come here. You can just try to do here actually. Let me print the variable. What is that variable actually? Talk with me. House price. Team, are you getting what I'm saying? See, boss, I don't want to use predict method. Then use this formula, sir. Use what exactly? This formula. This formula will be y equals to mx plus c. M means here, M is called as a coefficient. M means what exactly? Coefficient. Input. Input is nothing but what exactly? Area. And this is what exactly? No, intercept value. What value? Intercept. Let's run this one. Check it out. Amazing, sir. Amazing, actually. We got both are right values, actually. Did you understand? I hope you connected, actually. Am I right? Good. Now, what you need to understand is, whenever you are calling predict method, whenever you are calling what exactly? Predict method, backend y equals to mx plus c means linear regression equation is executing. What is executing? Linear regression equation is executing. That point you need to understand, sir. Hey, Daniel, is it important actually? No. Not at all important. But just I'm doing some small overaction. That's it actually. Now, whenever you are calling model dot predict method, Model dot what method actually? Predict method. 2800, in backend, y equals to mx plus c. Mx what exactly? Plus c. Formula is executing. Is what exactly, sir? Executing. This point if you understand, done, sir. You understand the session very well actually. I hope you're getting actually. Am I right? Good. If you want, I hope you already done actually. Let's take this example. Can I take this one? All right. I would like to take this one here also. Fine. Then we can close the discussion. Move on to the next topic actually. Then you guys need to walk through small theory. Yeah. What is the price? What is the M? What is the area? You can easy to understand. M, slope. B, call is what exactly? Intercept. Come on. You can walk through these are all stuff. Here we are doing prediction for what exactly? 5,000. Good. In linear regression, regression, what are all things you need to remember? First, linear regression. What is this one, sir? Name of the class. Next one, model dot fit method. Model dot what exactly? Fit method. Input comma output actually. Then can somebody talk with me? Predefined method. What exactly? Predefined method in model. The purpose is to train the model. To train what exactly? To train the model with data. With what exactly? When I say data, input and output. When I say data, what exactly? Input and output actually. Good. If you want, I can help you. Not required, but let me try my best actually. I can still continue the discussion. Go back. Let me print X and what exactly? Let me print Y. Sir, just please observe here. I just wanted to tell one thing, which is a, yeah, good. So let me capture this separately. Please focus. If you want, I can help you one small stuff actually. What is that stuff, Let us maintain comma here, comma. Then I would like to say this is model dot fit method. What method, sir? Model dot fit method. Am I right? Exactly like this only, sir. Am I right? You know, let me tell you, in a math, the super fast calculation is matrix calculation. What calculation? Then what exactly happened, sir? Then 2600 value belongs to 5,55,000. Then 3000 value belongs to 5,65,000. And 3000 value, this value belongs to, can I say the third value? Like this. Then this value is belongs to what exactly? This value. Then can somebody talk with me? Sir, the calculation happens like that because backend calculation is a super fast man rather than normal calculation actually. That's why input should be what format? Column format. Output should be row format actually. Did you understand? Right. All right. Take this exam, not required. Move on to the next one. I thought to write small. Yeah, good. Next one. Model dot predict method. What method, sir? Predict method actually. Now here, there is some small value. When I say this one, to do prediction, to do what exactly? Prediction with model object. What object, sir? First of all, let me tell you what do you mean by predict actually. Tell me, sir. Predefine method in model. That's it. To do prediction with model. That's it. That's it. Very quickly, let's move on. Capture the coefficient and from for what exactly? Regression. Once a model is created, there are two predefined attributes. We'll get it out actually. What is the first one? Second one? One more time. First one? Second one? Coefficient and intercept. Can I ask a question? How to see coefficient intercept? Very nice, man. Very nice. You are on the track actually. You guys are very good in pure Python. Let me show you. Python fundamentals never goes actually. That's it. Either it is machine learning, pandas, deep learning. Python fundamentals literally helps you. Check it out. Where is coefficient actually? Hide and seek game, right? Where is that? Sir, no time. Come on. Can I say here actually? Sir, my ICT is good rather than you because 16 years actually. Am I right? I'm sorry. Next one is, and where is intercept, sir? Now your eyesight is good actually. Intercept actually. Of course, would you have other parameters? No need to be worried. Not at all required actually. And inside model object, would you have a method? What is that method name? Fit method, sir. Where is that? Fit method. Cross verify. Predict method is here. Fit method here actually. Yeah. Now here, what is a in sir? Let me tell you. In total data science, object is super fast actually. Object is really supernatural power. Why? Because inside object, everything is holding actually. Did you understand? Good. Let's move on. Capture the intercept value. You can move on. Intercept and coefficients. You can please move on. This example you can easy to understand what I'm trying to explain. Let's calculate the above formula. Y equals to mx plus b. M means coefficient. B means intercept. Good. Best fitted line. Good. We we applied simple linear regression. Then yesterday, I have shown one diagram. What is the diagram, sir? Can somebody talk with me? Go back, hold on. There is a one diagram we had written. This diagram. Let me draw very quickly. Let me draw. I'm copy pasting. I'm not typing as of now. I'm sorry. Take this one very quickly. This is the scatter plot. This is what exactly? Scatter plot actually. Scatter plot. Then can I say this is the x value and this is the y value? Am I right or not, sir? Good. Let me draw one prediction line. Let me draw what exactly? Prediction line. That is also called as a simple linear regression line. What line actually? Simple linear regression line. Take this data and now let's try to draw a prediction line, also called as a simple linear regression line. Simple linear, what exactly, sir? Regression line. Regression line, also called as a best fitted line, sir. Also called as what exactly? Best fitted line. Come on, come on. Let us draw this one in a very simple way. Let me draw this one, sir. Come on, please. First of all, let me execute the example. Yeah. See, the line, the blue line is called as a simple linear regression line. Blue line is called as what exactly? Simple linear regression, right? Good. Sir, this blue line back end, what exactly happened, for already existing value, it is doing the prediction. It is doing what exactly? Prediction. Yeah, of course, this is the this is the actual value, but this is what exactly? Predicted value. This is the actual value, this is the predicted value. This is the actual value, this is what exactly? Predicted value. Can I ask a question? This kind of diagram I covered in somewhere. Any idea? Math. Okay, math. What is the topic? Very good, sir. You guys are really very good in preparation actually. Good. See, we are discussing about the machine learning, but let me map with the math actually. If you walk through the math, especially correlation, what is the topic? Correlation, R value. After that, R squared value. What value? During R squared value, I covered this one actually, right? You guys need to walk through the math, one time preparation. Yeah, good. Now this code, let me explain how to do, how we are doing actually. First of all, let us import the required libraries. Let us just try to import the required libraries. What are libraries I'm importing? Talk with me, sir. Pandas next one is a matplotlib. Next one is sklearn package. What package? Sklearn package. Pandas is for to load the data set. Matplotlib is for data visualization. Sklearn for machine learning. What is that one? Machine learning. I'm repeating one more time. Sklearn is for what exactly? Machine learning. Let us load the data set. We are preparing input and output actually. Loading the data set. Sir, here onwards, if at least two attributes are available, you can do like this. This looks pretty good. This code looks pretty good. If you are having one attribute, don't do that one. If you are having two attributes actually, can I ask a question? This syntax is called as a positional argument. This syntax is called as a, come on, sir. Let's one. Let us just try to create a object. Here instead of reg, let us create a model. Let us create what exactly? Model. Yeah, model created. What is the next step? Model training. Model what exactly? Training. Good. Use the terminology. Then you can just try to come here. Instead of reg, what you need to do, sir? Talk with me. Model, dot fit actually. First one, new df, like this you need to do. Fit method always takes, first one is input parameter. First one is what exactly? Input parameter. Output should be, yeah. Then training also done. Let me just try to run the example. Yeah, training also done. Now let's move on. Let us just try to plotting the data. Let us just try to, what exactly we are doing. Plt dot x label area, y label price. Good. Let us visualize the data. Scatter of df dot area dot values. Very good. Df dot price dot values. Color equals to red. Marker equals to something like this. Let us call plt dot show. Plt dot what exactly? Show. Let me show you the output first. This is with actual data we are visualizing. We already know this one. This is with actual data we are what exactly? Visualizing. Now my plan will be, I just wanted to draw a line. Actually. Take this one. Same date we can take it out. I just wanted to draw a line. To draw this line, definitely you need to use model. Definitely you need to use what exactly? Model actually. Guys, are you getting? Good. How many values would you have actually? Can I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Am I right or not, sir? With that 5 value, this is the actual values actually. Let us apply predicted values also. This code you need to understand. I'm sure you can easy to understand. Take this one. Please just try to compare. I hope you know in a matplotlib, if you wanted to draw a line, you need to call a function. Function name is called as a plot. Function name is called as what exactly? Plot. Good. Df dot area means, area means area only we have taken. Good. Please observe here. Sir, previously, can I say this is the existing original value? This is what exactly? Existing original value. Here, what we are doing, model dot predict of. For every values, we are doing prediction. For every area, we are doing what exactly? Prediction actually. That predicted value we are using. Please compare. I'm repeating again here. All these values, original values. All these values are what exactly? For all original values, we are doing a prediction. We are doing what exactly? Prediction, right? Now let us just try to see this one. Why, sir? Cursor where it went? Repeat it went or what? Yeah, let us just try to close this one. Very good. I hope you got it actually. This line we got it because of this code, sir. Because of what exactly? If you don't know what is a plot, hold on. I wanted to remind you a few things actually. Go to the data visualization. Here, Control F, plot. First example is a plot. In machine learning also, Yeah, please observe here. What is this one actually? Talk with me. Plot. Those days, if you understand what is a plot, but today you will understand what is this plot actually. Here we hard coded the value, what value, x value and y value, but here we are taking from the data frame. Here we are taking what exactly from the data frame actually. Come on, this you need to spend a time to understand the example. I hope you can understand. Last example, predicting group of home prices. Predicting what exactly? Group of home. Till now, did you understand? Good. This example also bit understand. Please focus. Go back and let us just try to take this one. Go back to the well versed example. I need this example, sir. Assuming that I have written the code, get ready. Everyone need to read actually. Please focus. Read the step number one. Importing libraries, loading the data set, data preparation, splitting the data set, model creation, model training. Splitting the data set is an optional. What is the next step, sir? Model prediction. Good. To do the prediction, what we need to do? We need to call predict method. What method actually? We need to call predict method. Please hold on. Pavan, in real time, plotting the regression line is done by machine learning engineer or data visual. Sir, it will be data visualization team, but still knowing is better instead of ignoring actually. Good. Let me explain the small requirement. The requirement will be assuming that my brother name is a Prasad Kumar. My brother name is what exactly? Prasad Kumar. He is working on real estate. He's not working on real estate, assuming that. Then on an average, he is having the data. The data will be something like 6,000 houses plus prices. Houses area 6,000 house. What exactly? Area plus price he is having. Now he explained his problem statement. Then what had done? Daniel created a model. Created what exactly? Model to do prediction. Prediction for area. Prediction for price. Prediction for what exactly? Price actually. Am I right? I hope you understand. Good then. Now what exactly we are doing? I just explained this model to Prasad. Hey Prasad, here onwards you no need to be worried. Just to give me the value, model dot predict. Model dot what exactly? Predict. Here give the value. Here what exactly? Give the value. What is the value? 2800. What is the value? 2800. Come on, let us just try to take this one. Then you can take a command prompt like this and you can run. That value we need to print, right? Am I right or not, sir? Predict method return type is a predict method having the return statement. Yeah, this is the value. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Same thing like that. Prasad impressed. Hey, your model is really pretty good. I'm looking for this model only. And he is asking, I just wanted to give the value, which is something like a 3000, which is something like what exactly? 3000. Then change the value. Then what Prasad told, hey Daniel, this is okay, but my requirement will be I have a group of areas. I have what exactly? Group of area values. Means now currently our model is doing prediction for 2800 separate value. Next one is 3000 separate value, 3200 separate value. It will do these are all things actually. But you know what? I have another CSV file, area.csv. When you open this CSV file, yeah, 1000 square foot actually. Next one is 1100 square foot, 1200 square foot, and next one is what exactly 1300 square foot. Like this, I do have a group of value. My requirement will be, can you do the prediction for all these values in one shot? Actually, we can do that. That's the next requirement actually. First of all, did you understand? From previous example, what we done, sir, one by one we are doing prediction. Instead of doing prediction, what real estate person is asking, hey, yesterday around 100 members came, sir. How many members came actually? One person, he is looking for 1000 square feet actually. Still I need to report him, I need to call him, but I don't know the result actually. Then second person value, third person value, fourth person value, respectively 100 values. How many values? It will take lot of time. Open a predict method and here enter 1000, 1100, 1200. Sorry, will it take time or not? It take lot of time. Instead of that one, I have a CSV file. Can you do anything? I just need the result within fraction of seconds actually. Yes, we can do. That's the requirement actually. Did you understand what is the requirement? Let me do. Let me do how to, let us just try to do how to explain this example. Let us understand, please. Hmm. Can I show you? Go back. Machine learning, all files, data set, areas. Good. Please observe this one. Can I say this is the CSV file, sir? Yeah, I hope you know how to load the CSV file. Come on. How to load CSV file? Import pandas as PD, then df equals to pd dot read underscore CSV, and here areas dot CSV. Let me just try to print what exactly? Df. This is the file given by real estate person. This is the file given by real estate person actually. Now let us just try to run. What is example? Demo? Yeah, sorry, sir. Control C. Interrupt actually. Demo 2. Yeah. These are all value. Now for this value, we need to do the prediction. We need to do what exactly? Predictional. Yes, let us do actually. How to do this one, that's the example. Currently what we're discussing. Understand? Predicting the group of home prices. Predicting the group of what exactly, sir? Home prices actually. We are trying to predicting price for the group of areas. By using above model, we can do the prediction for group of what exactly? Home prices as well. Now just let us see. Of course, this is the area, sir. Don't worry. Yeah, first of all, model is ready. Can I say importing the libraries, loading the data set, data preparation, model creation, model training? Am I right or not, sir? Go back till model creation. Hold on. Go back demo one till model creation. This is the model creation actually. Let me run the example. Yep. What is the requirement, sir? Instead of learning simple linear regression, go back and here change this one actually. Doing prediction, doing prediction for group of areas. Group of what exactly? Areas. Yes, very good. Then we prepared a model. We loaded the data set. We prepared the model. Good. Our model is ready. Now this model is capable to do the prediction for group of values also. First step, what we need to do, first of all, load the file in the same example. How to load the file? Area underscore. There is no rule like, once you are using this one, you should not use any other thing. No, no, no. There is no kind of some rule actually. Now you can load area. You can load what exactly? Area. Let us load this one. Take this one. Step number 6. Step number, let us just try to tell what exactly, 6. Yes, sir. It is okay. Model training, model prediction, right? We are doing, yeah, 7A actually, assuming that loading group of areas. Loading group of what exactly? Group of areas. Yeah, let me just try to load and let me just try to do print actually. Area underscore df. Area underscore what exactly? Df. Yep, we loaded actually. Yeah, we do have a model in our hand actually. We do have a group of value. We do have what exactly? Group of, sir, very simple. Very simple actually. Move on to the next step. What is the next step, Look at my screen. Very simple, man. We just need to call a method. That method name is what exactly? Predict actually. This data frame name dot values. This data frame name dot what exactly? Then you will get all prices. You will get what exactly? All prices. Did you understand? Very simple, man. Now come here. Now what exactly I am doing, print of Step number, actual step is now 7. Prediction for group of values. Group of values actually. Sir, I have a one question. Are you understanding? Hmm. I hope you're understanding. Please let me know if you're having any issue. Yeah. What we need to do? Model dot predict method. What method? Predict method. Yesterday, if it is a single value, then you need to provide a single array. You need to provide what exactly? Sir, now what you need to do, take the data frame dot values dot what exactly? Bus. Done your task is actually. Now please observe here. Now I have a question for you. Get ready. For 1000, what is the price? 31. 3 lakh 16,000. Am I right? Next one is 1500. What is the price? Do you think this one actually I will cry, sir? Yeah, yeah. 3 lakhs 84 actually. For 7,000, what is the price? This is the value. What is the value? 11 lakhs value actually. This is again task actually for him. Why? Because he need to map this value, this one, this value, this one. Unfortunately, for the second one, he has chosen the third one actually, gone case. Am I right or not, sir? Now again some processing is required. Again, what is required actually? We are getting output. We are getting what exactly? Output actually. Accurate output we are getting. Now, this value we need to add to the existing data frame. We need to add to whom actually? Can we do that? Absolutely, we can do. Understand the requirement. Please, these are all small things actually, but you need to understand. See, this is the output, sir. For this output, can I say this is the single column value actually? This we need to add to the existing data frame. We need to add to what exactly? Existing data frame. Like this we can do. How we can do, Now please observe here. Take this one. Result equals to. Now let us add a column. That column should be price. Price tag equals to result. Price tag equals to what exactly, sir? Result. Now let us print what we need to print. Any idea? Then, man, that's it. Done actually. You may get some exponent values. You can still, if you want, you can. It's okay. I will tell you how to get this file. Any idea? We got a data frame, right? I just need this result in a CSV file. How to get it actually? Yeah. Now come here. Dot two underscore what exactly? CSV. I would like to say final result dot CSV. Run this example. Go to the current directory. Final result. Yeah, CSV file created actually. Wow. Nice, sir. Very nice actually. Just try to see the price tags. Now happily, Prasad, what he can do? 1000. This is the price. 1500. This is the price. This is more comfortable for him. Am I right or not, sir? Of course, you understand actually, right? Now, what you need to do, Can I ask you a question, sir? This is pure Python code, man. What is this one? That's what I told many times. By this time, I told minimum more than 20 or 30 times actually. Be strong in Python. If you strong in Python, from the first letter to till last letter, this is the pure Python only. Nothing is there. Nothing is there actually. We are simply playing with some methods, packages, objects. That's it. Apart from the nothing actually. Did you understand? Take this example, and I can just try to move on. We done successfully one example. We done actually. Now in simple linear regression, let us do one more example. I hope you understand actually. Can somebody tell me what are all steps we involve? Hold on. Now you can walk through these are all examples, please. Done this example. One more example I can explain. Second example, third example, I will give an assignment for you. What is the next example? Simple linear regression. Let me explain one more example. First of all, see the problem statement. What is the problem statement? On x-axis, we are taking number of study hours. On y-axis, we are taking what exactly? Percentage score. Am I right or not, sir? How many hours you study, depends upon you will get what exactly? Score actually. Now, can I say hours studied and percentage having relation? What having what exactly? Relation. This is also called as a regression. Also called as what exactly? Regression actually. We'll see. Previous example, splitting the data set we are not done. What we are not done actually? Splitting the data set. Previous example, my motto will be you should understand machine learning, machine learning first example actually. Now, can I get a response from you? First machine learning example code, high level code actually. Talk with me, sir. Model equals to linear regression. Am I right? Good, very good. Second step is model dot fit method, x comma y. Model dot anything is there. This is the first this is what exactly? So first machine learning example. Let me help you with the second example actually. That example will be, you can kindly please walk through this theory. This theory you can walk through in a straight away. Y equals to mx plus b. Y equals to what exactly? Mx plus b. We need to provide number of hours. We need to provide what exactly? Number of hours. Then we'll get what exactly? Score. Get ready. Walk through this theory. In a straight away, we are entering into the example, sir. In a straight away, we are entering into what exactly? Example. Are you ready? Talk with me, sir. Good. Let's study. Control Jet. Simple linear regression. The very first step is importing the libraries. What is the first step actually? Importing the libraries. Come on. What is output? Good. What is output, sir? What is the step number 2? Hold on. Look at my screen. Go back to the last example. Sir, let me tell you, other trainers, how they will explain, they will directly start from this line and they will close this line actually. Frankly speaking, this is only one example. But to bring this example, how many examples I executed, almost 10 examples I executed. How many examples actually? I mean to say that go back. Only for machine learning, I followed this pattern. You need to understand how important this is actually. First, I just wanted to explain how to load the data set so that you can feel comfortable. Hey man, I know this one. And second one, data visualization. You can still feel something. Even if you didn't prepare data visualization, you can see somewhere I have seen this diagram during Daniel explaining actually. Am I right? You can feel that one. And third example will be something like, we are importing linear regression, but we are not using it is okay. I just want to give a small introduction. We are calling a method. What is that method? Drop means while walking through the example by example, you can gain the confidence. But let me tell you, if you see directly this example, first of all, you will get favor, sir. I'm sorry for saying you will get what exactly? I'm sorry for getting. Why? Because there is a much stuff actually. Importing the libraries, loading the data set, data preparation, creating model training, model prediction. I mean, lot of things actually. That's why to bring this 11 example, 10 examples time I spent actually. Means frankly speaking, I'm wasting time. But for you, you need to understand actually. Within the time, I can cover 2 examples, 2 machine learning example actually. Please understand. Only for machine learning pattern I will follow. There are 7 steps I'm telling, right? Each step one example. Importing the libraries, one example. Loading the data set, one example. First of all, did you understand what I'm talking? Yeah, yeah. Please. Sometimes when I'm talking, I'm getting doubt on myself actually. Are you listening? Online team, how are you, sir? Hey, somebody kept very nice pic, man. Who is this guy? Vijay Lakshmi. Vijay Lakshmi Patel. Good. Like my picture only. Harry Potter, right? Okay. Harish, Srikanth, awesome sir. Sriram sir. All right, all right. Thank you for responding. Let us move on. Let us quickly move on to the example actually. Good. Let us get the file and we can move on. Machine learning is very easy. Just you need to spend your time. Mm. Can I delete other stuff? Is it fine for you? Yeah, come on. Let me just try to delete all. Only students course and demo one I need. Other examples I'm deleting. Good. And I straight away have deleted. Now let us run. Yeah. Yeah, very good. Let us just try to spend here. Previously, small data set having how many value? 6 value. But here having how many rows actually? 6 rows. But here how many rows actually? 24. Almost, yeah, 25 rows actually. Now let us just try to apply. What is the topic? Splitting the data set topic. What topic actually? Where you can apply splitting the data set topic, if you're having big data set, if you're having what exactly, then only you can split the data, then only you can what exactly split the data actually. Good. Oh, time simply went, sir. I thought I can close this example also. Plotting the data set, come on, you can do this plot actually. Can I say this is the data visualization? X-axis value, next one is what exactly? Y-axis value. What is this plot, sir? Scatter plot. Come on, I hope you know this example. I would like to say this step is step number 2A. Step number 2A, data visualization. What is that one? Data visualization. Come on. Now take this one. You guys need to import this package actually. Sir, there are few guys are texting. You can type the package actually. Sir, already I started this batch since long actually, right? If I typing each and every line, I hope you understand my next line actually. It will touch 2025. What is that one? I'm sorry. I can still appreciate actually. Why? Because even though every day you are having the same spirit, either you are getting or not getting, I didn't. Hey, what happened? No values. Oh, sorry, sir. Good catch. Come here after DF. Hold on. Now you can please observe here. What is this point you need to understand? Now let me tell you. Plot is a function in matplotlib. Plot is a method in data frame also. Plot is method in what exactly? Data frame also. Yeah, there are some predefined stuff, sir. You guys need to do small R&D. Style. Prabhudeva movie. Seriously, very good, sir. Dance movie, right? Very good movie. But I didn't get that movie in a YouTube and anywhere else actually. Maybe that copyrights. Maybe some issue with my existing packages. You can ignore. It's okay. Let's move on. Let's move on. Anyway, that is not move on. Sir, this is bit important. Get ready. Get ready. Now, let me just try to go to the loading the data set. Take this example. Let me print this one. Look at my screen, everyone, please. Yeah. Can I say these are all data set and data frame? First one is what is a column? Hours. Means number of how many hours you are spending. There is a student, he is spending 2.5 hours. And what is the score level, sir? 21. And there is a one more student, he is spending 5.1 hours. What is the score? Assuming that there is a data set, there is a short term training course center, actually short term training, kind of some IELTS training, ISET, MSET, these are all actually only 30 days training. How many days training actually? Per day, if you spend 2.5 hours, end of the exam you can get a 21 score actually. There is no rank, then you have to pay the money actually, you have to buy the seat, right? The next one, 5.1 hours, what is the score actually? 47, something like this. Would you have a data? Would you have what exactly, sir? Data actually. Can somebody talk with me? What is input and what is output? Hours is input and score is, are you sure? Very good, sir. Now get ready, take this data set. Ayyo, sorry sir. Yeah, good. I would like to say, this is the data. This is what exactly? Data. Get ready. Input. This is what exactly? Output. Can I say X actually? Can I say what exactly? Y. Very good. Now get ready. We are going to creating a model. Then for that model dot fit method we need to call. What we need to call? Fit method we need to call. What we need to provide, sir? Hours we need to provide. What we need to provide actually? Hours. Hold on. I would like to say hours. Hours. Next one is what exactly? Talk with me. Scores we need to provide here. Get ready. This is the syntax. We need to get it out actually. Hours and next what exactly? Scores. Now from this data frame, we need to prepare the data. This one should be single column array. This one should be what exactly? Single column array. This one should be single row array. What is that one? Single row array. Please. I would like to say this one should be array. And this one also should be what exactly? Why array? Array is a superfast man. Array is what exactly? Superfast actually. Come on, let us just try to have a small flow actually. What is the flow? Data set. Then from this data set, what we are going to get? Data frame. Then what we are going to get? Array. Array having what exactly? Input value and what exactly? Output value. Then this input value and output value to whom we need to give actually? Machine learning. This flow many people still confusing, sir. I don't know why they are confusing. Nothing is there. Now, to prepare the data like this, there are many ways, boss. There are many ways. Like a previous example, how you applied, same thing like we can do actually. Previous example, what we done actually? We dropped one column. Then we applied single column data frame. We applied dot values attribute. What we applied actually? Then we got a area. We got what exactly? Area. Next one is to get the price in a row, then df dot price dot. Very good. One more time. Df dot price dot. Still you can do same example, but instead of using the same example, here I'm using ILOC operation. What operation, sir? ILOC. Don't ask what is ILOC. We already covered actually. What is the topic? Thank God, pandas you remembered actually. No one didn't say Python. Seriously, I made jump, sir. This is the which floor actually? Fourth floor actually. Keep in mind that, ILOC column, I mean, comma came. What came actually? Comma came. LHS value, rows. RHS value, columns actually. Very good. These you need to do practice. Come on, get ready. Take this one. Now I would like to say, what I can say, data preparation. What is this one, sir? Data preparation. This step is called as a step number 3, data preparation. Data preparation means preparing x comma y. Preparing what exactly? X comma y. Get ready. X equals to df dot x loc, and a comma came left hand side, all rows. This is a single column actually. Dot values. Why, Daniel, we are providing? Sir, spend your time, please. Spend your decent time actually. Let me just try to print x and y. For previous example, you can apply this syntax also. Conclusion of the story. There are many ways to get a single column to get a single row. There are many ways to get a single column to get a single rows. Like a previous example syntax also you can apply. Look at the example, sir. Wow, we got it, man. We got it actually. Can I tell? In the machine learning, this is the major step actually. This is what exactly? If you got this step, then model creation, model training, prediction, these are all very easy. Am I right or not, sir? Are you getting? Good. Yeah, very good. We done data preparation. What done actually? Data preparation. Take this example. Delete these are all stuff. You guys need to read, get ready. All these steps what I had written till now. Read everyone. Importing the libraries, loading the data set, data preparation. Can I ask a question? To do the data preparation, I used a topic. What is the topic? ILOC. That's why I told pandas is very, very important to understand machine learning. To understand what exactly? We are not directly jumping into the ML, playing with the data set. Playing with what exactly? Data set actually. Good. Move to the next one. Take the steps. We have enough time, sir. Sir, you tell me what is the step number 4? Splitting the data set. Now we are entering into the discussion. Arey man, I forget to share with you Saturday session actually. Who are all missed Saturday session? Raise your hand. Who are all missed Saturday session? It's okay. Sir, what I'm explaining, I'm sorry, you cannot understand. To understand this step, you need to walk through the Saturday session. Somebody remind me. Hold on. Myself, let me raise the request. Sir, sorry. Oh, I logged into this one. I myself, let me raise the request. Otherwise, I may forget, sir. Hey, important. I'm not making you to scare, but if you want, you can try. You can try to understand. But very easy. I will get a notification, sir. Please wait. I will get a notification. Hold on. I raised it in right channel only, right? 5:30. Let's move on. Let's move on. Splitting the data set actually. Get ready. To split the data, come on. Who are all attended Saturday actually? You guys are, we already know actually. Yeah. There is a function. What is the function name? Train underscore test underscore split. This function we need to call. This function returns 4 values. This function return how many values? First value name is a x train x test y train y test. One more time. X train x test y train y test. Good. I'm repeating again. Those who didn't attend on Saturday, look at my screen. This is the input value. This is the output value. What value actually? Input value, output value. Good. Now let's just try to go back. I hope you know my father example. My father decided to train me to trying to recognize what exactly, sir? Recognize cat and what exactly? Dog. My father went to shop and my father went to shop and bought how many images, sir? Very good, man. Bought how many images? BUGHT. Don't consider spelling mistakes, sir. Images actually. All these images. Can I say cat and dog actually? Yeah, very good. 50 images are belongs to what exactly? Cat. 50 images are belongs to dog. Then, yeah, what my father done, my father applied one operation. What is that operation? Shuffled operation. What operation? Shuffled operation. Very good. Now the total data set having 100 images. How many images? The data set what we do have currently x and y, assuming that these are all images. These are all what exactly? X comma y. What is that one? X comma y. Now my father applies splitting technique. What technique actually? Splitting technique ratio 70 into 30 ratio. What ratio? 17 to 30 ratio. My father done manually, but in machine learning, you no need to do manually. If you do manually, two difficult tasks, sir. Instead of that one, there is a one function. That function name you need to call. That function name is called as a train underscore test underscore split. One more time. Very good. For that function, you need to provide the parameter. First parameter is a x. First parameter is what exactly? Though first parameter is x, first two variables are called as a x train x test. Talk with me. X train x test. And the second parameter is a y. Y train y test. One more time. Y train y test. Saturday, completely 1 hour. Only this is the discussion. I hope you already know. Test underscore size. What is the value? Yeah. Then what is the data set ratio? 80 is 20. What is the ratio? 80-20. Random underscore state means only one time shuffling. Second time onwards, no shuffling action. Did you understand? Good. Let us apply this. Step number 4. We need to import the function, sir. We need to import the function. Yeah, splitting the data set also done. What is done actually? Splitting the data set also done. I hope I already draw a kind of some diagram actually. Whenever x train x test, y train y test actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Now the next step is a model creation. Done, man. If you understand this one, done actually. Step number 5, model creation. What creation actually? Model creation. Model creation. Let me draw a small diagram. During interview, once I have given interview to the Capgemini company. During that interview, one guy asked a question. That day, I understand this is a really good question actually. He have taken a paper and he started writing like this actually. What he started writing, he jumbled these values, sir. He have taken the same thing, but he jumbled this one actually. This is the wrong pattern, wrong pattern, wrong pattern. And he told, he tried to confuse me. He written the second one is first parameter. Second one is what exactly? First parameter. And here what he had written, x train, y train, x test, y test actually. Very good. He asked, do let me know. By using this one, you can train the model. Then first of all, here you need to understand there is a problem. There is what exactly? Problem. The problem will be, sir, this function returns 4 parameters. How many parameters? First two parameters should be x train, x test. That's it. There is, you should not change actually. Talk with me. First two parameters should be x train, x test. Next one, y train, y. Order is the same. You have to follow the same order actually. Then I would like to say this is the valid order. This what exactly? Valid order. This is no doubt at all. No doubt at all. Did you understand? Good. Now let me help you. A kind of small diagram for you. For this diagram, for this one, let me draw a diagram. This is a bit important. Please focus. X and Y. I would like to say this is X data. According to that, in our program, what we have taken, X means these are all value. Y means these are all values. Y means what exactly? These are all. Whenever you are calling train underscore test underscore split actually, X comma Y we are providing. What you are providing? Whenever you are providing X actually, sir, back end what exactly happened, look at my screen. Tell me, x underscore train comma x underscore test. Very good. Then whenever you are providing y here, then here what happened, provide a comma. Talk with me. Y underscore train, y underscore what exactly? Test actually. Very good. Now according to that, you need to understand Yeah, total 70-20 ratio, right? What is the value you have given? 70-20 ratio, right? Oh, sorry, sir. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Here, what is the value? 80-20 ratio. Then according to the diagram, come here. From here to here, what is the value, you know, sir? Any idea? Can somebody tell me what is the value? X train. Very good, man. X train. What is the next value actually? X test. Exactly like this. What is the next value, sir? Y train. What is the next value? Y test. Y test actually. Good. Get ready. Yeah, let me prepare the model. Let me prepare what exactly? Model actually. Go back. Simple. You can just try to print X train, X test, Y train, Y test. You talk with me. What is the next step, sir? Hey, did I copy this example? Did I copy it or not, man? Now model creation means I need a response from you. Tell me. Model equals to linear regression. Yeah, model creation is done. Let me just try to, let me show you. Sir, read loudly, please. Importing libraries, loading the data set, data preparation, splitting the data set, model creation. Splitting the data set means, let me print these are all values, man. Please. I need a kind response from you. Let me print these are all values. Now let me run. See, from step number, hold on, from step number 3 to we got step number 4. That point you need to remember. From the, if you don't have a data preparation, there is no point of what exactly? Splitting the data set. Did you understand? Good, I hope you understand. Right. Right. You know, X train, X test, Y train, Y test. Next one is what exactly? Model. Everyone need to show your attention now. Previously, you talk with me. Model dot, after this one, fit method. What is the method actually? What I used to say, input comma output. Input comma what exactly? Output actually. Sir, if splitting is available, what is available? This step is available. Splitting this step is available. Then get ready. We need to call this method. For this method, input means no doubt at all X train you need to provide. What we need to provide? X train you need to provide. Yeah, output means what we need to provide, you know, Y train you need to provide. Exactly, this is the standard. Fit method takes two parameter. Previously, no splitting, X comma Y, you provided directly. But now here splitting is available. What is available? According to the diagram, we are using this data to train the model. According to the diagram, we are using this data to train our model actually. To train our model. Did you understand? This is a bit important actually. You have to understand. Those who all didn't attend on Saturday, you can go outside and you can talk with that idiot. What is discussing? I didn't understand. You may think like that. I'm sorry for getting, but I'm requesting you, please watch Saturday session. Then only you can easy to understand actually. Are you getting or not, sir? Yeah, yeah, please. Please. That is not my mistake actually. Good. Get ready. Model training. Sir, talk with me. Model dot fit method. What method? Fit method. Input comma what exactly? Input comma what exactly? Output. Sir, here the beauty will be automatically X train is single column. X train is what exactly? Single column. Y train is single row. Y train is what exactly? You no need to do any hadavadi actually. X underscore train you need to provide. Here what we need to provide? Y underscore train actually. Y underscore what exactly? Train. That's it. Look at the example. Look at the example. Now I understand your question. Sorry, here how many parameters actually talk with me? For how many? For training, as of now, you need to use only two. Only what exactly? Two. That two will be first one and third one. This is input and this for this input, this is the output actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Yeah, this example you guys need to do many times so that you can listen. Model training also done, man. Model training also. Then what is the next step actually? Prediction. Come on, let's do that one also. Tomorrow while you're coming, this is the real time example, sir. This is the real time example. Splitting is available. More data set, right? Model training. Prediction with model. Model dot what exactly? No, predict of. Here you can provide. Do something. Some student came. He is telling 3 point. What exactly? 4 hours study. And what is his score? Sir, he will get a 35 marks actual. He will get what exactly? 31. This is the just prediction. You may get a 34, somebody get me 32, 31, that is fine. But this is the near value. What value? Out of 100%, I will show you. Hey, is it really near value? I will show you. There is a one method. That method name is the accuracy actually. We need to call, yeah, score. Very good. We need to call that method. Method name is a score. I will show you how accuracy it will be actually. Did you understand? Sir, this is the final example. You guys need to prepare this example many times, man. For yesterday example, today example, what is the difference? Only splitting is the difference, sir. If you understand this step, that is seriously very good actually. One more step also would you have? Instead of doing this prediction, Daniel, can I use this, X test value, Y test value also? Tomorrow I will show you. Tomorrow I will show you. Right. Sir, this diagram is a bit important, man. Not this one. This diagram is a bit important. We are using to train. I mean to say that what I'm telling, come here. Model dot fit method. Tell me, sir, X underscore train, comma, Y underscore. That's it. You need to use that one actually. Done, man. Third example, I will give assignment for you. You guys need to work out, please. We done for today's session. Tomorrow, new algorithm. Tomorrow, what exactly? New algorithm. One algorithm done. And hey, Daniel, in simple linear regression, for this algorithm, I like to work with more example. Tomorrow, first to 30 minutes, I will show you. In e-commerce, how to apply simple linear regression. In banking domain, how to apply simple linear regression. I will show you more example from one website. What is that website name? That's it actually. Do you think Google? What is the website? Yeah, please don't miss tomorrow's session. I need to update. I need to upload today running nodes, material, data set. Last column, Srikant. You need to work out on ALOC. Sirisha ma'am. I will connect actually. Let me upload, sir. Can I ask a question? Tell me frankly, did you understand today's session? Very good, man. If you really understand, do more practice. That really helps you. Okay. This is the example, sir. Please work out more. data set also, right, for this. Desktop. Area also I need to upload, right? Yeah, please remind me. Sir, any material is pending from my side? Huh? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Apart from this, anything is pending? One minute. Area. Done from my side. Good. Machine learning, every example do thoroughly. I know how many times you need to practice, but minimum I'm expecting 3 times. How many times? Don't look at other example, do more example and machine learning. Then during this course you will become ML engineer. Get ready, you need to hold that badge, you need to hold that tag actually. During Python you became Python developer. During, sir, you became, right? Next one is the data analyst. Next one is what exactly? Now it's a right time we have to show ML engineer. What is that one, sir? ML engineer. In a data science, Python is the first step, sir. Python is what exactly? You already achieved that one. Next one is the pandas. Next one is what exactly? If you are really very good in these two, then only ML you can easy to understand. Then only. Today, what are all we done today? Simply we are creating an object, we are calling the methods. Apart from that, nothing. In machine learning, we are creating an object, calling the method. What is that method? Fit method. Another method? Predict. That's it. What is the method we covered in where exactly? Python. Python actually. Please don't misunderstand me. I'm repeating these many times because you guys may forget actually. That's what I'm repeating. Thank you. We done for today's session. Do more practice. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Online team, thank you so much.